I'm about to go on my computer.
All right.
Right. Those is what booties look like at the end of the day. So don't be trying to body shame my sister. But maybe you'll look like that until you start breastfeeding. So you do with that information what you want.
I'm probably not gonna get that pullback.
Recording in progress.
Yeah, for this one, I'm looking for like a reversal around this area. I was trying to get that pullback off of this impulse here though, to try to get in right here and take it up there to that level. So it looked like I probably missed it, but I'm gonna be waiting on a potential reversal around this area. See if I get some type of engulfing counter, and I'm gonna take that sell down to that level. And that's on the 1 hour. On my 4 hour, it was a big impulse off of this one too here. So I'm looking at this level as just a rejection here. So if we take into a factor the SMC stuff, I'm looking at this range here. So boom, that area here for a possible reversal to the downside. And the RSI is looking like that. And I think my daily, I looked at the daily too. So yeah. So this is how the daily was looking. Overall structure itself, I wanted to clear down here because it hasn't finished. And that's a strong area of support right there. So I want it to come all the way down there. I'm just waiting for the opportunity. As you see, it went up, boom, 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 stayed around this support level, pretty good, and then boom, look at that. So right here around this area, I'm looking for some type of reversal around here so I can get in the trade. Um, so this the one I'm looking at for next week. Damn. I'm just waiting for that opportunity, and I might just put a bag on this one, to be honest. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off that limit because that didn't execute when I wanted it to. But yeah, that's the only thing right now that I have like marked up. That's
The 1 hour, it look like a flag.
somewhere here,
Mm-mm.
right here.
Yeah, you can pull it down. You can pull it down to match that one spot. Yeah, that, and then same thing up top. You can bring it back a little bit up top. It won't let me mark it, but the previous peak for the top one at the back. No, 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 not that one. You had that one right. It ain't letting me do none of the marking
Yeah,
count.
'cause I think I'm on the iPad. That's why.
Yeah,
So
but
what? Move it here.
nah, that's the correct peak for that one. But I'm talking about the rear part of that peak before you started at.
Uh,
Um, no, not that one. The one behind that. Not that one. The one right behind that one. Yeah, yeah.
yeah. And then let me see where that lines up on that 4 hour. Yeah, and seeing that if it does continue to push up to that level too,
It could be
that'll
one
be
more touch up top.
yeah, it could be another one here.
Yeah.
And then it look like that'll be a 4 hour gap as well, right here. Boom. So yeah. So if I do get that's I ain't gonna lie, that's a deep retest then.
A good sell.
Yeah, so that cell come all the way down here.
I'm
Yeah.
about to mark that up on mine. You're okay.
Okay.
That look nice.
Yeah.
Look like a good long sale.
Exactly. But yeah, that was the only one I was looking at for next week. But yeah, you can share your screen. I'm gonna make you host.
Yeah, I'll mark Eurocat whenever we get off. Don't wanna waste no time. This is what I got for gold, which is crazy because now you see what that balance is
Ooh.
off one trade,
Stop playing with that boy.
a 1 to 8.5, risking $50. It
Stop
hit
playing with that boy.
425.
And you so early on that jump too.
It hit TP. That was
Uh-uh.
TP. 8.5 on a dot. I could have held and got me another, probably another 4R out of it.
Yeah, for real, for real.
But I already went ahead and marked up this 1 hour level that it created. And now it's pulling back. Don't know how deep it's going to pull back, but I continue to look at the RSI for a safe entry for more buys, but probably around this area.
No, yeah, cause it looked like it got like it looked like it gapped up around there too.
Yeah, so probably around here somewhere. If anything, what I do on a 15-minute, I look at certain peaks there. So this would be like a precise entry for me right here. And that's right there in that gap.
Mm-hmm.
If I could have kept it, let's move it over here to 14. So I do 14 on the dot. And that's what I would be looking for right there. That pullback. And continue to hold. Once it get past a 1 or 2, I'll move my stop loss to break even.
Yeah, that's a good one. I want to see. Cause it look like it's a nice rejection off of that 45.88 level you got. I want to see if it's gonna retest and give you something on like probably the 5. Like if it got a gap around that level, around that 5 minute, get the entry off of that to the downside. Cause it look like it's gonna press back up again. Just how the candle formation looking.
Yeah, it could reject off here too. If it reject off here, then I'll just miss it. Because
Yeah,
I'm gonna go for around this level, particularly right here on the dot, this yellow spot. But knowing go, it could reject off of this because it's still
yeah,
yeah.
because of that. Yeah,
But if it do go there, it's not a safe enough entry for me.
yeah.
So I leave that be.
Okay.
Comfortable with it though. I'm happy I got me a good 1 to 8.
Look, that account for real.
You know what I'm saying? From 100 to 579 in a week.
Just imagine what you doing the month.
Right. Just continuing on gold. It's the one I'm most consistent with. It's the one I'm
Yeah,
best with. So gotta keep up on this. Keep my emotions in check. Stay disciplined. Gucci.
yeah. Could be like we be in our own way sometimes. Well,
Yeah.
not even sometimes, all the time. It feel like
Jumping
shit.
in too early, getting out too early, getting scared that we're gonna miss something.
Yeah,
So jumping in early.
yeah. I know there was one trade I was in. It was a clean trade, but like that. Let me see what trade was that. It was NZD CAD that I had marked up, and it was a clean trade, but the profit I could have got off of, I could have got a little bit more. but I got scared a little bit, so I closed out at like 240 because I'm like, man, every single time. But it was a clean, like if you pull the chart up, the entry
Which
that I
one?
had, it was a NZD CAD. So like, let me see. So the level I was at, it was like it was on the 1 hour level, and it was like wick rejections around that level. So I had entered around there. Yeah. So I'm gonna give you the numbers if I could. The numbers was, so my entry was 079630. That was my entry. My stop loss was 079500. And then my TP was 08 hold on, 08579.
Damn.
That's what I said, bro. Like I could have held it, but I was getting scared. And as you could like look at it, like it kept going up. So I ain't had no drawdown on it at all. But it just I was trying to lock profit in, but I could have kept holding on to the trade. So, but yeah.
Uh, Car, you watching? Make sure you see this since I'm about
Oh
to
yeah,
mark.
yeah, I'm watching. I'll be watching the whole time. Yeah, I'm watching right now.
Cause I'm finna mark this chart up from scratch, so you'll know exactly how to
All right,
how.
and I'll before y'all get off, like, was y'all gonna set that like help me set that account up or something like y'all said I had to set up something to practice on something like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and send you the website, and you can start doing it.
All right.
Damn, what's the name of it?
Oh, because you the host now, I think the recording had stopped. So, click record again so you could get this analysis. Um,
You talk about the dot up top? Because they still show the dot and the blinking dot in the cloud on the screen sharing jump.
okay. Well, yeah, if yeah, okay.
I just sent the thing to the group chat car.
What was that trading view for then?
That's what we used to use
Oh,
before they switched everything to the platform that it's on now. Uh, this platform right here, this platform, it partners with TradingView, so there's no
okay.
need to use them no more.
I'm setting it up now.
And
Real wrong this shit, man.
Mm-mm. That's around that same level that we was looking at. Cause that's that 4 hour, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I think that lines up with that 4 hour gap over there.
Let me hold it out over here. Just in case. Um,
Yeah, if that channel strong, it could clear that whole thing. Cause you still got that peak above that too.
It said accrued, G. What?
You do 100 P's on stop loss for everyone.
and nah, just go
Okay.
here. This one is a 40 pip.
Okay. You just giving it enough space just in case.
Yeah.
Is that stop loss above that recent high, or you just
I just 40. It's from wherever I wanted to enter it.
okay?
270. Yeah, right now.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I kind of want to see how I react to that peak right there. Go back.
With this one.
Just yeah, I kind of want to see how it reacts on that.
You see,
Cause
that's what I'm about to look at 1 hour lows. Mark me a 1 hour level.
yeah, cause that rejection off of it was pretty strong. So, but it looked like you got room on that RSI to push higher to that 4 hour level. So might be able to get that.
Oh my God. Darius, why have you not changed the shirt over here? This is ridiculous.
I mean, the 1 hour level is slightly above where that peak is.
Hmm. Yeah, she looked pretty strong right there.
No, I don't either. I miss my cousins though. I was thinking about catching a flight up here.
Yeah. I stick with this. Looking for any divergences. Ain't one of them.
Yeah, it could definitely push higher.
Yeah.
Now that I'm looking at it, yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
Go up, bring the chart up a little bit. Okay, I'm looking at these levels right here, seeing how it's reacting off of them,
Okay, I'm gonna call you back.
and then how this one cleared right here, and that cleared right here, and that cleared right here, and then it created that right there. So, okay,
Look at those
yeah,
more. Lower. Lower.
mm-hmm, yeah. I'm gonna keep my eye on that one.
Yeah, no, and all these, they're not high on the RSI neither.
Mm-hmm.
This one was.
Yeah, and then when that happened, it melted down to this level here. Came all the way down there.
Two. I'm trying to catch one of these.
Yeah, that look like some news stuff.
Be like, oh, should be good though. Cause yeah, by the time this reach right here, that's at a 4 hour level and it'll be higher on the RSI than it usually is for drops like this. None of these are that high. And they started to melt down. And
Yeah, and that'd
where
be
these
look like a
are,
stop loss hunt around that area too.
yeah, where these are, it's already damn near right there right now. So either we gonna miss this and it's gonna fall, or a sniper.
Sniper, yeah. Cause we still got this area to, yeah, cause we still got that area right here to clean up. So if anything, you might get stopped out on that one.
Hey, it's just 50.
Yeah, but it'll give you a. I was just gonna say even because that'll give you a better entry. Because if it does reach to this level, you get a pullback probably here, and then depending on how it reacts, it can either melt all the way down, or we could come to that other high. Should be somewhere around here. So yeah,
Nice little setup though.
yep. We just gotta be patient for our entry.
I think that's it. Other than that, other than that, see, other than that, I'm on there right chill.
Oh, that just made a new high. Jeez.
All time high.
That's all right. Jeez.
I
Well,
should
I can't. Yeah, can't be surprised though. Gold been pushing. Yeah.
give me a quick little pullback. Nah, be Gucci.
Yeah. Okay. Car, you got any questions, bro? Cause we pretty much done now.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you what's a sniper? What's that right there?
Like a
Pretty
perfect
much
entry.
like no drawdown. So it's like right on the money. Like a trade that was just like that hit right on point, basically.
Yeah, perfect entry.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It goes exactly to the price to where you was thinking it was gonna go, or whatever
Yeah.
wherever your entry for the trade was. Like it literally goes directly to that price, and it goes directly into your the direction that you was looking for it to go.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
I just got into this account. I think I just gotta verify my name now. That's it. But I just made it though, so good on that. But let me see. Let me see real quick. Damn.
Once you do that, like once it's verified, they allow you to like open a actual like trading account in your name and everything. And that's when they give you like your login credentials to this. And you just like insert money whenever you want to. You can put money in and take money out whenever you want to. And your joint will look just like this. You just download this onto your phone or your computer. Use that, email you your login credentials, and
Yeah.
you just do your thing.
Yeah, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I mean, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna call you on your phone tomorrow and like how you to walk me through like far as like setting the chart up and stuff like that.
Uh,
Yeah.
but
Sweet,
that was it
sweet.
for me, y'all. That's it. Just looking for this on gold and then that EC trade.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Hey, let's get to it.
Hey, great session, man.
Show
Great session.
quick, easy.
Mm-hmm.
Where everybody else at?
We ain't worry about that.
I ain't
Hey,
neither though. As
Hey,
long as
they
I get
ought to
on
be
here.
here. They ought to be here. Fuck it.
yeah, we gonna keep doing what we doing and creating that traction for ourselves because the results got to show. So as far as like discipline and stuff, being accountable, I mean, they want to get on, they get on, but we can't hold their hand. We trying to get to the bag.
Hey,
It's a
But
bit.
that's why it's recording though, cause once it drop on YouTube, they could just go to the YouTube, man. You feel me? Tune in.
they continue not to show up. We just take them out the chat because we putting stuff in there to where they can just copy it and nah.
Yeah,
If you ain't showing up, then we ain't giving no freebies.
done did that.
No freebies.
Whew. Volley out this thing. But all right, then, my brothers. Great session. I'll see y'all when I see y'all.
All right, I see you, bro.
All right.
All right.